OFM Sport.
Guys, we spoke at length on Friday night about what this win meant for the guys and for Free Rugby. What has the energy been like these last couple of days in preparation for a semi-final?
No, the guys, they've been positive. It's just getting them ready. It's a short turnaround for us, especially with the travelling as well. So, we need to get them fresh before Friday.
And of course you played the Pumas early in the season, less than half a game, that Lightning game. And at that stage, I still feel that you guys are starting to get the front foot in that game and you guys are really starting to look good. Does this game almost feel like it's a matter of unsettled or unfinished business as you head up to Nelspruit?
Yeah, Mogsy, I think there's different feelings because I can promise you if you ask Nielsen, he'll tell you that he might feel that we would have won. Tian as well, Ruan maybe. I felt they were more physical than us on the day. And I think we need to be better than that day. We made some silly mistakes there, so I don't think it's unfinished business. It's a new game and playing in Nelspruit is going to be tough. So we need to be 100% there and switched on.
And we've seen the past two seasons, the Griquas won the first year of the SA Cup. It was won last year. They are the defending champions, of course. But there's also an opportunity for you guys to clinch a bit of silverware, and it starts on the weekend.
Yeah, I think for me it's just we need to be better every week, and hopefully we can do that again this week. I don't think we worry too much about the end result and playing in a final and winning a final. I think we need to be better than last week and improve on last week's performance, and they get that consistency in our performances.
Nielsen, we had a quick little chat last week about your record since you've taken over the captaincy, and I'm sure it's the last thing on your mind at the moment, but you did mention that the Griquas was your first real big test. This is going to be a second one. It's going to be a totally different test. It's near conditions. It's probably 10 to 1 to have a slightly hostile crowd. So how much are you looking forward to this personal challenge as a captain?
No, I'm really looking forward to it. Like you mentioned now, Morgan, it's another tough match and one of my tougher matches as captain. But luckily I have a group of guys, senior guys around me that helps me a lot. And I think as long as everyone's on the same page as players and as coaches, and that makes my life easier as captain. And my responsibility is to lead from the front with my actions and to handle the rest. That's that. The rest of responsibility of responsibilities is the whole team's responsibility. So look, I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be a good game, I think. Yeah.
You mentioned now leading through actions, and that loose forward battle is probably going to be one of the key battles in the game. The Griquas have got exceptional loose forwards. Unfortunate for Gustav what happened, but this time around it's Wille Engelbrecht, it's Ruwald van der Merwe, those kind of guys, which are a lot more physical and in your face. So totally different challenge.
Definitely, I do agree with you. They do have good loose forwards, just like Griquas did and does have. That's definitely a talking point, or something we have discussed as Lucies. We want to be the dominant Lucies on the field, and if you look at the weekend, I felt personally we as Lucies, Cheetahs Lucies, we were good. So if we do our job as loose forwards, and I mean, look, those three guys you mentioned now, or loose forwards of them, they also stand out players of them. So if we can be better than them, that makes the job for the rest of our guys easier as well.